This brand new state-of-the-art composite technology facility provides a true pre-production environment for us here in Bristol. We started our composite fan development over 10 years ago on the Isle of Wight, where we invented, created and developed highly automated advanced manufacturing processes for both fan blades and fan containment casings. All the carbon fibre material we use in both our blades and our casings is laid entirely by robots. The facility is ultra efficient. It uses low energy processes with zero emissions. Our processes also maximise the use of our raw materials, and so waste is kept to a minimum, and even that amount of waste is ultimately recycled. The key benefits of composites are by having very substantial weight reduction from the materials. This enables increased efficiency in our engines and reduced fuel burn. The reduction in fuel burn directly leads to a significant reduction in carbon dioxide emissions. Our new UltraFan future engine design really lends itself to the use of composites, and in that application we can really maximise the benefits.